Jaya Sharma YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to learn about game theory. So in this game theory, pure and mixed strategies plays a main role. So we have to learn them. See, the decision making situations are three: deterministic situation, probabilistic situation and uncertainty situations. So these are the three situations while we make a decision making. Okay, so in this game theory we should know some terminologies of this game theory. First is players. Players is nothing but this is player A and player B. There will be two players in game theory. Okay, and next is strategy. Strategy is nothing but if you see this one, this box like this, 1 2 3 1 2 3 are strategies. Here 1 2 3 are player A strategies and here 1 2 3 are player B strategies. So that is the strategy. And pure strategy, here pure strategy means if player A selects, this can be also as P1 P2 P3 and this can also be as P1 P2 P3. If player A selects this P1, then P2 P3 will be 0. Okay, the summation of these three will be as 1. They should come as 1. If player A selects the second strategy, then P2 is equals to 1. Remaining two strategies will be 0. P1 equals to 0, P3 equals to 0. And their summation should be 1. Always 1. That is pure strategy. What is mixed strategy means? If a player follows more than one strategy. That means if this player selects P1 and P2 as strategies, then P3 will be 0. This P1, P2 and the P1, P2, P3 summation should be always 1. Then P1 equals to 0.65, P2 equals to 0.35. This is pure strategy means selecting only one strategy. Mixed strategy means selecting more than one strategy. Here, how the player A selected the strategies, in the same way player B can also select these strategies. Okay, this is payoff matrix. Payoff matrix look like this. Okay, player A, player B, and these are the strategies and these are the values of that strategies. Okay, if outcome is positive, then gain to player A and loss to player B. See, after the payoff matrix, when we solve this payoff matrix, then the result is positive. If we get the number as 10, for suppose we have solved this payoff matrix and we got answer as 10. So this is positive. So positive means the gain will be player A and loss to player B. If when we solved this payoff matrix and we got result as minus 40 or minus 20, that means it is negative. Negative means the outcome is negative, then gain will be player B and loss for player A. Okay, these are very important points. If outcome is negative, then gain to player B and loss to player A. If outcome is positive, then gain to player A and loss to player B. Okay, next terminologies. Maximin principle. Maximin principle means maximizes the minimum guaranteed gains of a player A. See, player A, it's maximin. For player A, we have to maximize the minimum gains for player A, and for minimax means minimizes the maximum losses. We have to minimize the maximum losses. That is minimax principle. Maximin principle and minimax principle. These two are very important. While we solve, we use this maximin and minimax principle. Here it is for minimax. Minimax will be used for player B. Okay. Saddle point. What is saddle point means? Remember this one. Max-min value equals to minimax value. Max-min value equals to min-max value. Here it is max-min means maximizes the minimum gains, minimax means minimizes the maximum losses. Saddle point means max min equals to minimax. Value of the game. These are very important while we solving this game theory. These are like stepwise process. So value of the game means if the game has a saddle point, like minimax equals to maximum value, saddle point, then the value of the cell at that saddle point is called value of the game. Okay, 2% zero sum game means 2% zero sum game. What it mean? In a game with two players, if the gain of one player is equal to the loss of another player, then the game is called 2% zero sum game. This is very important. Will be get in 3 marks question. Like 2% zero sum game means in a game with two players, if the gain of one player is equals to the loss of another player, then the game is called 2% zero sum game. Okay, next, game with pure strategies. As I told you about pure and mixed strategies, so now we are going to learn about this pure strategy. Okay, pure strategy, how to solve a sum by using pure strategy. See, the question will be like this: find the optimum strategies of the players in the following games. Okay, see, the question is given like this: player A, player B, 1 2 3 1 2 3 are the strategies. These are the values of the strategies. Okay, now we have to write the row minimum values. Okay, see, this is the question. Yes, so now we have to write first row minimum value. Okay, row minimum value, which is here 20. Okay, next, second row minimum value 45. Okay, 45. Next, third row minimum value, which is 40. Okay, we written row minimum values. For column, we have to write maximum values. Okay, for columns we have to write maximum values. A first column, it is maximum value is 58. Second column, maximum value is 45. Third column, maximum value is 55. Okay, as I told you before that max min principle and min max principle, now we are using here. This is minimum and these are maximum values. Here we have to select, out of these three we have to select maximum value. Okay, as I said, rows are player A, columns are for player B. So in these, among these minimum values, we are selecting maximum value. So this is maximin value, which is 45. Okay, among these maximum values, we are selecting minimum value. Among these maximum values, I am selecting minimum value. So that's why it is mini-max principle. This is max-min principle and this is for player B. See, 45. Okay, here we are selecting this row and also this column. Yes, second rows and second column. The point which is here, 45 is the intersecting point. See, 45 is the intersecting point. So it is saddle point. Now you all understand. See, here 45 is the value. At this position only we selected this 45, not this middle 45. Here 45 is the maximum value, which is at which place? Second position. That means second row. Okay, and here 45 is the minimum value, which is at which position? Second column position. So this row and this column we have selected. What is the common one here? Common value 45. So that's why this 45 is the saddle point, and also that is 45 is the intersecting point, so it is a saddle point. And also max min value is 45, so minimax value is also 45. Okay, so the value of the game is intersecting point, where we have find out if the game has a saddle point, then the value of that cell, see this cell, value of that cell at that saddle point is the value of the game. See 45, this 45 is the value of the game. Okay, and this 45 equals to 45 is max min value and min max value. 45 is the intersecting point, so we are having a saddle point. Okay, hence the game has a saddle point at the cell corresponding to row 2 and column 2. See, corresponding to the, this is row 2 and column 2. So optimal probabilities A P1, P2, P3 equals to row. This is row A, P1, P2, P3. Here P1 is 0, P2 is 1, P3 is 0, because we are having here the value came here, the min max value came at row 2. Yes, so that's why this is 0, 1 and 0. See, it is 0, 1, 0. In the same way, for B, it is Q1, Q2, Q3 equals to B of 0, 1, 0. There it is 0, 1, 0. Because at the second row we got this point. Yes. So it is pure strategy. Okay, this is pure strategy. Okay, we done a game with pure strategy. I think now we all understand about the terminology of game theory and how to solve this optimum strategy of players in the games. To understand, hope you all understand max min and min max value, saddle point and value of the game, how to find. So if you all understand this, please like this video, and if you have any doubts, please mention in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you like this video, it will be encouraging for me, so I can do more videos. So please like and share, and also subscribe to your friends. Thank you.